Hello and welcome to Garden Glows, your happy place for green thumbs and juicy stories. I am your new storyteller and gardening expert, and today we are diving into one of the most exciting and tangiest and healthiest fruits you can grow right at home. Have you ever heard of Tang Fol or passion fruit? From rooftop garden to tropical farms, from your spoon to smoothies, this superfood is bursting with flavor, nutrition and global vibes. Let's explore how to grow it, why it is so powerful, and how it could change your garden and your health. Passion fruit is a round, small fruit with hard skin outside and juicy pulp inside. It is sweet and sour, that's why many people in Bangladesh call it Tang Fol. Some say passion fol or even anarkuli in villages. In India, Pakistan, USA, UK and Australia, it is known as passion fruit. In France and other French-speaking countries like Senegal or Morocco, it is called lait de passion. The scientific name of this fruit is Passiflora edulis, a climbing vine that loves sunshine. What does it look and taste like? Passion fruit comes in two main types, purple and yellow. When ripe, the skin may look wrinkled, but inside it's full of golden jelly. It has a strong and sweet smell, and the taste is mix of sweet and tangy. You can eat it raw or mix it in drinks and dessert. How to grow passion fruit? You can grow passion fruit at home, on your rooftop, in a pot or on a farm. You don't need seeds, you can use cuttings. How to grow passion fruit from cuttings? Cut a healthy stem 6 to 8 inches long, remove the bottom leaves, plant it in a moist soil or sand, keep it in shade and water daily. Roots will grow in 2 to 3 weeks, then replant it in sunlight and with support to climb. It grows fast. In 1 year, you may start getting fruits. Nutrition and health benefit of passion fruit. Passion fruit is not only tasty, but it's a superfood for your body. It gives vitamin C, fights cold and boosts immunities. Vitamin A, good for skin and eye. Dietary fiber that helps digestion. Potassium supports heart health. Iron gives strength and energy. Antioxidants fight aging and cancer. Magnesium relax the body and helps sleep. Low sugar, safe for diabetic in small amount. Low calorie, great for weight loss. It also has plant compound that protects your body. How to eat passion fruit? You can enjoy passion fruit in many ways. Eat it raw with a spoon, make juice, smoothies or milkshake. Add it to cakes, pudding and yogurt. Use it in ice cream or sorbet. Mix in a salad or a spicy sauce. Farming passion fruit in Bangladesh and around the world. Passion fruit grows well in tropical countries. You can find it in Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Brazil, Peru, Kenya, Uganda, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, France and other tropical French region. In Bangladesh, some farmers are already growing it on rooftop gardens and farms. It can be sold fresh or as juice and brings good income. Do you want to grow fruits at home? Want more tips on natural health? Like this video, comment below and subscribe. Let's enjoy nature's gift, one fruit at a time.